Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the silent mode on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the sound and vibration. Tap here on this section and scroll a little bit down. Now you will see here the silent mode switchers. Tap to activate the silent mode, and if you will tap on the switcher again, your silent mode will off. Now also we get to one more way. Just tap here on the volume button and go here to the three dots, and by swapping here with your finger to swapping down, you can see that the silent mode is on. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.